Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying where the lineup is failing and why, list the 1-9 order and note each player's role. Once done, gather the last 10 games of stats, on-base percent, slugging, errors, and mark situational strengths. Make sure to confirm constraints, substitution limits, pitcher availability, and matchup rules, because these will drive choices. You should prioritize balance between offense and defense, and pick 1 or 2 immediate swaps to improve on-base skills without disrupting chemistry. You now run through concrete swap scenarios and why each matters. Test moving a high on-base player to lead off or shifting a power hitter into the cleanup spot. Once done, consult split stats versus handedness and situational numbers to predict outcomes. Make sure to plan platoon and bench usage, because that preserves flexibility late in the game. Communicate these changes clearly to players. Explain expected roles and defensive responsibilities so everyone understands the tactical trade-offs and can execute. You finalize the lineup and lock it within the allowed window. Confirm with coaching staff and the scorekeeper so there are no surprises. Once the game starts, monitor the first 2 innings closely for unexpected pitcher performance, batting slumps, or defensive issues. If things go wrong, make targeted fixes, reverse a single swap, bring in a bench specialist, or adjust strategy to small ball or aggressive baser running, because small course corrections are less disruptive than wholesale changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.